little longer than I thought. Make multiple colors as I print. What I really didn't think about is how many times I had to stop and change color and squeeze the filament out. There's probably a few thousand of those. But we'll see how this turned out. Improved version with quick release tip, imprinted coloring, and personalized initials. There we go.